To compute the seasonal indices, you need to compute the value of trend. The computation of trend, you can refer to the previous video. To compute the unadjusted seasonal indices, okay, you type equal, take the actual value, divide by the trend, and then multiply by 100. Okay, and then click the cursor on the equation, and then after that, put the cursor at the edge of the cell and then double click. Then you will get the unadjusted seasonal index. And then after that, okay, you copy the unadjusted index, okay, for the year 2015. Okay, right click, copy, okay, and then choose paste special, and then choose transpose and values only. Okay, and then take for the 2016, okay, right click, copy, and then paste special, transpose and values only. Okay, and then you can do the rest for the year 2017 until 2023. And then after that, you compute the mean. Okay, so use the formula of average to get the mean of each month here. Okay, and then you can just drag down to the right. Okay, and then you get the total. Okay, so suppose that the total, okay, of the indices here is equal to 1200. Okay, because this is a monthly data series, so that this is supposed to be 1200. Okay, so to adjust it, okay, then we compute the seasonal indices here. Okay, so by taking the mean value, okay, and then divide by the total, the sum here, okay, and then we log this value by using the dollar sign, okay, and then multiply by 1200. Okay, and then after that we just drag to the right. Okay, so this is the seasonal indices. Okay, so as you can see that the benchmark of the index is 100. If the index is below than 100, it shows that the data values is below the trend. If it's above 100, so it means that the data values is above the trend.